Hello everyone! In the world of coffee, there are many brands that claim to be the strongest, the boldest, and the most fearless. But one brand stands out from the rest: Death Wish Coffee. With its bold flavor and daring attitude, Death Wish Coffee has become a cult favorite among coffee lovers who crave a cup that will knock their socks off. Death Wish Coffee was founded in 2012 by Mike Brown, a coffee enthusiast who was dissatisfied with the weak and bland coffee that dominated the market. Brown wanted to create a coffee that would be the opposite of everything else out there, a coffee that would be bold, rich, and unapologetic. After months of experimentation, Brown finally created the perfect blend, which he dubbed Death Wish Coffee. Death Wish Coffee is not for the faint of heart. With a whopping 728 milligrams of caffeine per 12 ounces cup, it's one of the strongest coffees on the market. But it's not just the caffeine content that sets Death Wish apart. It's the unique blend of beans that Brown has carefully selected to create a flavor that's both bold and smooth. The coffee is made from a blend of Arabica and Robusta beans, which are sourced from around the world. The beans are then roasted to perfection to bring out the full flavor and aroma. The result is a coffee that's rich, full-bodied, and utterly addictive. Death Wish Coffee has built a loyal following of coffee lovers who appreciate the brand's bold and fearless attitude. The company has a strong online presence, with a website and social media channels that showcase the brand's personality and values. Death Wish Coffee also has a strong community of fans who share their love for the coffee on social media using the hashtag #DeathWishCoffee. The company encourages its fans to share their own Death Wish Coffee experiences, whether it's a photo of their morning cup or a story about how the coffee helped them power through a tough day. Death Wish Coffee has received numerous awards and accolades for its unique blend and bold flavor. In 2015, the company was named one of the top 10 coffee companies in the U.S. by the Huffington Post. Death Wish Coffee has also been featured in several publications, including Forbes, Entrepreneur, and Men's Health. Death Wish Coffee is not just a coffee brand, it's a lifestyle. It's for those who crave a cup that will knock their socks off, who appreciate the bold and fearless attitude of the brand, and who want to be part of a community that shares their passion for great coffee. If you're looking for a coffee that will take your morning routine to the next level, look no further than Death Wish Coffee. But be warned, once you try it, there's no turning back. That's all for now. See you in next video. Goodbye.